Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Plinko World review. Hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. This is Plinko World on the Google Play Store. Plinko World is a Plinko application where you drop a ball from the ceiling and hope it hits one of the prizes below the actual Plinko board. I'm going to tap the push button to drop a Plinko ball now. So here we go, the ball has been dropped everyone, it's slowly falling. Where will it hit? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Just got 8 free Plinko balls. You'll notice as well that we have our tokens at the top of the screen. I currently have 792, and then we have the currency on the right side of the screen. This part represents real money. So let's see if I can drop any of these 17 Plinko balls to hopefully land on a money-making tile. At the moment, I currently only have 2 at the bottom of the screen, where I have 2 Plinko ball tiles as well, 1 token tile, and 3 experience tiles in total. You'll notice my leveling bar at the bottom of the screen as well. I'm currently level 5, but halfway to level 6. Let me drop all 17 of these Plinko balls, and then I'll show you the leveling aspect of Plinko World. So here we go, just dropping all the balls at once here, everyone. Let's see what we land on. Just got another Plinko ball, some experience, and another Plinko ball and more experience. Let me continue to drop the Plinko balls now. I only have 6 left. Here we go. Oh, looks like I got some more experience and another Plinko ball. Sadly, if the Plinko balls fall off the board, they do not generate anything for you. So now at the top of the screen, you can see I only have 7 Plinko balls left. Let's hope we get something now as I'm dropping the rest of them, okay? I'm a bit worried because we haven't landed on anything good yet, and I got nothing but experience there. Sadly, still on $0. Okay, so now what happens when you run out of Plinko balls? Tapping the push button again brings up the shop menu, which you can see here. At the top of the screen, you have the shop area where you can buy Plinko balls for tokens. You can see that I can buy 5 Plinko balls for 1,000 tokens or 25 Plinko balls for 4,000 tokens. Pretty much giving us a 1,000 token discount there on the Plinko balls. Underneath that, you can see a prize area where if you complete missions, aka certain objectives within the game, you can win prizes. So apparently I have to watch one more advertisement to unlock this prize, which I've just done now off camera for you all. So if you have a look, it now states that I can claim my reward. Let's see what this instant prize is going to be. It's brought up a gift box that has rewarded me with 20 Plinko balls. So that's pretty decent, I guess. I would have preferred some money though, to be honest. So now I'm sitting on 30 Plinko balls in total, and if you look towards the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that every advertisement you watch will generate you 10 Plinko balls. Now you can only do this 5 times a day, funny enough. So I kind of feel like that limits you a bit. But what I'm going to do now for you all is watch the maximum amount of advertisements to get the maximum amount of free Plinko balls today, and then I'll see if I can get any money. Alright, looking towards the top of the screen, we have 60 Plinko balls now. Now on camera, I'm going to drop the Plinko balls just so we can see what kind of rewards we can actually generate here. We're actually getting a lot of experience, but still haven't hit that dollar tile yet, which is a bit frustrating because I wanted to show you what happens when you hit the dollar tile on camera. So still dropping them here. Haven't really got the rewards that I wanted just yet to show you. Very disappointing, because when I first tried this out before the review, I was actually landing on the dollar tiles. But now I've just leveled up on camera here. As you can see, level 6, it says congratulations, you've leveled up at Rome. I guess there are different stages on the game. So I've won 750 tokens and 8 of the Plinko balls. So now at least I can drop some more Plinko balls here, which is helpful. Something that I've noticed about Plinko World, everyone, and you're about to find out the system, okay? Am I gonna get anything here? Hang on, I just wanna see if I get anything. Come on, surely I'll land on one of the dollar tiles. Nope. Okay, I ran out of Plinko balls. 1 second. Let's see what we get here. Just all experience, pretty much. That is sad. Okay, I'm going to test a theory now on Plinko World, and this is something that I noticed. You see these tokens at the top of the screen, guys? You generate these tokens by playing games through a playtime reward system. That is right, the good old-fashioned playtime reward system that we've seen many times before. As you can see here, I can earn hundreds and thousands of these tokens just by playing these games. Now these tokens will allow me to buy more Plinko balls. Now I realized something about Plinko World pretty early on. I played dice streams that generated me around 27,000 of the tokens. Interesting enough, after I played my game and generated tokens through that system, I was then able to earn through the money tiles. Let me show you an example here. Let me install Scratch Cards Pro that's offering up to 117,000 tokens. Apparently I should get 1,800 tokens every minute. That's just to start off with, by the way. Obviously it increases the harder it gets. So I'll be back in a second, everyone. Alright, so I've got Scratch Cards Pro installed. Now we just have to simply wait for that time to generate, and then we should have earned quite a bit of tokens. Let's find out in a second here. Alright, so we've just generated some tokens. You can see at the top of the screen we now have 12,000 tokens. Now I'm going to buy 75 Plinko balls. And there we go, 75 Plinko balls with only 150 tokens left. Now I'm going to drop 75 of these Plinko balls on camera for you all right now without any of the cuts, okay? I just want to show you guys something. Can you see now how we're starting to generate revenue? This is not a joke, you can actually see it happening, and I believe that this is all done by design. So I think it's the developer's clever way to reward you guys for playing games through Plinko World. It's very tricky to see, guys, if you're not familiar with these type of apps, but I've seen this all before, obviously, since I reviewed hundreds upon hundreds of these apps. So I've just used all of my Plinko balls, and the final one's about to finish, there we go, and I now have 40 cents. So that's actually not that bad in regards to playtime rewards. I've only played about 5 minutes of a game to get that amount. Now, I could of course be wrong, but it's just very coincidental that I showed you that I won nothing before, and now I've won stuff after playing the games and earning tokens. I'm going to go play some more games and generate more tokens, so I'll be back in a moment. Alright, I've now got 5,600 of the tokens. Let's purchase some more Plinko balls. I now have 30 Plinko balls. And again, I'm going to drop them live for you all so you can start to see these balls migrate their way to the dollar tiles. At least I hope so, because it was very suspicious how the free balls that I used did not generate me any money, but then when I purchased Plinko balls by the tokens, I was actually able to generate money. Now granted, it could be a complete stretch, but I truly believe that playing those games to earn those tokens does influence the application in some way. Although interesting enough, after generating those tokens, I still actually did not generate any money from that Plinko drop just then. So it's one of those situations where, I don't know everyone, having your earnings decided by a ball dropping on a board is very, very temperamental to me. It could just be the playtime rewards function is there to generate these tokens, so then the developers earn money from you guys playing these games, which would obviously make sense, but I still think the whole token generation side of things might be influencing the game, and I feel like once you guys play this application for yourself, you might have the exact same feelings that I do. Now, I'm not saying that the game's bad by any means. For what it is, it's actually a pretty solid concept, and I do appreciate the developers making a Plinko game that has the potential to actually generate us money, and today's video is based on finding out if that is the case. So now heading over to the rewards area, I now have 41 cents available to redeem. The minimum redemption amount is 25 cents. I'm going to redeem 41 cents worth of currency, and it's as simple as that, everyone. My balance is now 0, and looking at the transactions in your account settings, you can see that I've already cashed out 87 cents on this application on the 23rd of the 1st, and now I have my open order of 41 cents. So, did Plinko World actually pay me my money? Well everyone, within 2 days, I'm happy to say that Plinko World paid me my PayPal currency straight to my PayPal account. Is it worth it for everyone? Sadly no, because if you don't have playtime rewards in your country, you're going to be severely limited to the amount of tokens that you can generate per day, because you're based on watching 5 advertisements. But if you do have playtime rewards unlocked in your own country, you should have a pretty pleasant time with Plinko World. It's definitely not the highest paying application out there, but it is nice to see a legitimate Plinko application on the market finally. Be sure to check out my website and my YouTube channel, and if you guys want more games like this, check out the video in the description of the top 36 paying app list that I've just posted. Stay safe, see you tomorrow for another video.